Say hello to Steve. Steve is a university lecturer, and he loves nothing more than providing engaging and interactive classes. But that wasn't always the case. You see, he sometimes found it hard to connect with his students and to gauge their understanding. But that's all changed. Now Steve uses Vevox. Steve can now let his students actively collaborate in his lectures with live polls and quizzes. He's even removed the fear of asking questions. And getting instant, honest feedback is a breeze. Not only is Vevox really easy and quick to implement, it also works seamlessly with Steve's preferred tools. So Steve can focus on keeping his students engaged. Now, let's meet Emma. Emma's new to Steve's classes, but her past experiences of online learning and large lectures aren't great. She struggled to engage and found it difficult to ask for help. Hang on though, Emma's been asked to use Vevox. It looks like Emma's going to be able to respond to polls, ask questions anonymously, and upvote those sent by others. Emma seems surprised, but also intrigued. Steve kicks off with a poll. It's a great way to gauge understanding and know which areas need to be focused on. He makes the most of his Q&A time by answering the most popular questions. And to test their knowledge and end things on a high, Steve is going to finish with a quiz. Emma's impressed. She's never felt so included in a class. Steve decided to try Vevox because of the hundreds of 5-star reviews online, and the fact that he can speak to a real person at Vevox and get help and advice on using it. Nice work, Steve! Another great lecture and happy students. If you want to be like Steve and provide unmissable lectures too, sign up now for your free trial at vevox.com.